How to use Life360 app for beginners. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Life360 app for beginners. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the Life360 app is a really cool app you can use with your family and your friends. What this does is that this is just a family social networking app, and it is a location-based service. So you can easily find this app on your app store. Simply search for Life360 and you should find the app. This is the app right here, and you can just add your family members and friends, and you can share your locations with them, and you can track their phones. Now this is for families and friends, but you can also use this with your friends. So what you can do is you can simply install this app and create an account. You can easily create an account, and this is what it's gonna look like. After you create an account and log in, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to use it. And now what you can do in this app is that you can add a circle. To add a circle, simply scroll up and then tap on add a person. What you'll need to do is you'll need to ask that person to have this very app and just use this code. And after using this code, they will be added in your circle. Now, after they're added in your circle, you will be able to see their location and their history right here. After you add a people, you will just get their location and everything about them right here. Now you can also use this with your significant other if you do have one, and you can see the location history as well. Now you can delete a circle by simply heading over to the top left corner on the settings icon, tap on circle management, and right here you will be able to edit your circle. You'll also be able to leave a circle if you're added in a circle. So tap on leave circle and then tap on yes to leave a circle. So it's that simple. Now you can also stop sharing your location. You'll see the location sharing option, and all you need to do to stop sharing your location is turn this button off. And this is the basic functionalities of this very app. You can also enable your privacy and security here, guys. There are a lot of options. There's also a logout button if you do want to log out, and yeah, it's basically that simple. Now if you do want to delete your account, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to head over to your account section, that is right here, and then you will see the delete account option. Tap on delete account, and if you scroll down, you'll need to confirm all the above and then tap on continue. With this, you will have deleted your account, and that is the basics of Life360 app. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.